Hello and welcome to the second video in our series on how to code Armstrong. By the end of this video, we want Armstrong to change the color of the front LED when we change the arm's position. Let's start with the blue loop forever block. Why this one? To ensure that the program repeats itself all the time. Inside the loop, we'll place all other necessary blocks. Go to the I/O block section and find Set Servo to Position block. This block allows us to adjust the arm's position. The position range goes from 0 to 1023, 0 being far left and 1023 being far right position. After you do this, we have to code what will happen with the LED. When Armstrong turns to the right, we want it to light up in red, and when it turns to the left, we want it to light up in green. The LED range goes from 0 to 100. Find this I/O block that allows you to set the value for each color individually. Since we want it to light up red, set the value of red to 100 and set the values of other colors to 0. Next, search for the time block labeled sleep 1 second. Below this, we'll repeat the process. So, when we set the servo rotation to the position 0, we want the LED to turn green. Take a look at our code. Finally, add the sleep 1 seconds block at the end. Click on the Run button to see the results. Thank you for watching this video and see you in the next guide.